Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Millennial Investments for our third daily trade review. Today, we're going to be looking at TMRB, Timber Pharmaceuticals. It actually broke out to the 350 levels, a little bit higher than that. I'm just kind of speculating and giving a quick estimate on that, so don't quote me. But I actually did a review on this the other day, and I kind of did some DD on it, not as far as I wanted to go, but this is actually a great company. They're building a rare and orphan dermatology company that focuses on mitigating the cost, risk, and time of drug development by leveraging the orphan drug pathway for conditions with no FDA approved treatments. And they also leverage the 505(b)(2) pathway, which actually has fewer requirements for FDA. Also bypasses phase 1 trials by utilizing proven drugs and mechanisms of action that are already existing, and provides safety and efficacy that's already established in their studies. So that allows them to ultimately begin phase 2 trials on anything that they're doing. And they're currently focused on a high potential late stage, lower risk multi-product candidate pipeline. They currently have about 12 million in cash on hand, and they're expected to fund the company through multiple key clinical development milestones, including top-line data readouts from both phase 2 trials that they currently have in place. I actually did some more DD on what they're actually working on if you want to go back and look at some of the videos in our daily trade reviews. But to continue moving forward with the trend analysis that we have for this, what I want to pay attention to is this level here. Is at 306. Of course, it broke back down below it, and that was kind of concerning for me when I first saw the trade. But something that stood out against that was even the 262. So hopefully what we can see is some momentum in this stock, staying above that 262 level, although it is pulling back and showing signals of continuing to do so. So watch this gapping down tomorrow. If it gaps down tomorrow, then let's look for some support either around the 190 169 to the 150 levels. So I'm going to put it there. So this could rebound back to before where it broke out. It still will be above, that I think it was trading at like 113 when I first started paying attention to this. But definitely watch out for it. It was up due to basically someone mentioning this as a swing trade, which is crazy to me how these stocks jump just based off of social movements nowadays without anything that actually solidifies the move. But anyways, if you're going to play this trade, this is why I'm doing this trade review, and this is why I wanted to add this for you. A lot of people might run behind this and try to catch it on the next run up or whatever, but currently it's pulling back. So just be careful as it pulls back. That's all I'm saying. I'm not saying getting into this stock and holding it for the long term, because it's a very healthy company overall. We can actually look at some of the fundamentals right now. It's currently up 197% year over year. EPS growth is down a little bit on negative 24% net profit margins, and then ultimately the market cap to common equity ratio is a negative 11. I look for a positive 1 or above on most of the stocks that I really want to go after, if they're based off of social movements such as what you're seeing with what happened with this stock. And I'm just not currently seeing any news released to me, at least through the Thinkorswim platform. So I haven't looked and seen if there was any other news, but most likely I would get it here. So basically this moved off of a tweet. And potentially because it broke through that key level of 262. Hopefully that key level of 262 becomes support versus its previous resistance, and it doesn't break down below it. But I just wanted you guys to be careful. If this bounces off the 262, then it has a continued run above the 306, and that's where if you buy in at 262, be sure to find support above the 306 to let this continue running. And basically what you want to happen is put a stop loss at 306 eventually, to make sure if it ever comes back down and breaks below it, you still can capture some gains off of it, which you'll get about 10 to 20% off that type of swing, just moving forward. So otherwise, I hope this information was beneficial for you in some kind of way. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave it in the comments below, as well as suggestions. Also, I want to let everybody know, I'm going to be doing this in every video. If you have any stock that you want us to look at, feel free to drop it in the comments. We're more than willing to look at the trades with you. If you already have a position in it, please add your price average so we can base our analysis off how we would play it in your situation. Otherwise, we're just going to do it on walking into the trade blindly, never being into it. Typically, we do a lot of this review raw. Half the companies we do DD actively through our videos with you, and as we progress through the trades, we'll go into more in-depth videos on stocks that we like. But other than that, I'm not going to hold you too much longer. We have some more videos that we're looking to do on some of these stocks that have performed today. If you have any questions, like I said, feel free to reach out to us. You can also connect with us on social media to have direct line to us about any questions you have at any time of the day. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day. I hope this video is beneficial for you in your potential investment in TMBR if you're looking at it, and also, playing the trade safe. If you're already in a position in it, watch out for that 262. If you lose support there, you're going back to a potentially 151. I just want to let you know. So other than that, have a great day. Tomorrow's Friday. Be careful because I think the markets might sell off a little bit from the all-time highs that the SPY hit. And the NASDAQ is still having some issues getting above some key levels. But anyways, move forward. Just be safe. That's all we ask. Otherwise, thank you for the love and support. Feel free to like and subscribe to the channel for more daily trade reviews as we move forward. Have a good one.